What's up, everybody? Today we're going to do some matches. There's only going to be 7 matches, so starting up, the first match will be a fail four-way match. It's going to be a good match. So here we go, guys. We have Blide. It's going to be Blide versus Razor versus Mighty Man versus Big Cat. Here we go, and hope this match is good. Here we go. This is to be a good fair four-way match. Hope you like it. Everything. I'm gonna probably be right back. Rash. Just put Vaseline on the mic set? Guess so. The fair four-way is going to be good. Put Vaseline on. Okay. So I hope this match turns out to be a good match. What do you think?
I gotta get up here. I gotta get my ass in the shower.
Okay.
You weren't gonna go take a shit, were you?
No. I have to put Vaseline on.
Huh? Oh my God, I can't.
You alright?
My whole body aches.
Yeah, I'll remember to go to Walmart and get some ice for me.
The following fatal four-way contest.
It's scheduled for one fall.
Making his way to the ring from Topeka, Kansas, weighing in at 185 pounds.
You won't be hearing me talk that much, so don't ask me to talk, people.
The superstar.
I know you're not on the carpet. This is Tim Bobby Diesel. Here we go, people. We got some cycling side matches coming up. See how these matches go, people. This will be a good one. This match will be hyped for the match. This is welcome to EPW. As the United States champion, Kenny Blide, comes in. And he has to take on 4 other guys, because this is a fair four-way match. It's not for his United States championship belt. It's just a match for fun. Here it is. It's alright. Right here, so let's put it right here.
And his opponent, first, from Chicago, Illinois, weighing in at 140 pounds, the superstar.
There you go. That's a good answer. Now let your answer help this thing.
Byron, tell me, how do you think the champ looks heading into this one? I'm impressed, Michael. Sometimes you see a champion looking a little less motivated.
Young Fred, a Razor, another guy that's going to be a good WWE superstar in the brand of wrestling entertainment for EPW. Coming out, bartender. And here we go. Here comes Mighty Man. Trust me, guys, or people on YouTube. So this is gonna be a hot match right here. And then we got these matches, and then the only thing we're waiting for is our main event. It'll be Carson Fox versus Josh Smith. Bless me, people. Again, this will be turning out to be some good matches. Here we go. So stay hyped.
Byron, is the fact that this is not a title match change the champ's game plan here? I don't think so, Michael. If I know him, he sees this match as just another opportunity to prove he is the most dominant force in all of the WWE.
Yeah, this is what WWE is all about. This is all about, this is all about EPW. It's all about what we do in that ring that counts. It's EPW thinks it's better than UPW, but UPW has been around, not been around for a while. They've been both around for a while. So this is going to turn out to be a good match. We're just waiting for the hype for the match. Okay, here comes Big Cat.
And from Seattle, Washington, weighing in at 238 pounds, the Superstar.
Big Cat's been a good wrestler. He's been WWE champion, WWE World Heavyweight champion and stuff. He done some good matches. This man performs live on good matches, even the pay-per-view and stuff. And then we have another.
And despite the fact that the title is not on the line here, I still expect the champ to come out and fight his normal.
Yeah, that's gonna be a match.
He just likes to fight. It doesn't matter to him that the title's not on the line here.
This is gonna be just some good match. This is gonna be a good match, people. This is gonna be good because we have some hype matches for even this fight. To 10 years how the match goes. It's all about what you do in that ring that counts, as WWE or EPW prefers to be known as. We have 4 of the guys. Here we go. We're gonna start off with this match in a fair four. Hope it turns out to be good. Here we go. The bell rings. Okay, Razor going after Big Cat. 90 Man going after Blide. Okay, Big Cat with the reverse. I'm not there. It's gonna be hard because there's too many people to focus on. Yeah, because we're facing off. Business tonight. This is gonna be a good match right here.
That stop might have only lasted a second, but it's going to be felt tomorrow. And down goes the leg. A knockdown drag.
Come on, but that's bad timing, Kane Blide. Reverse.
Nice.
Punches.
That path to punch. That stop might have only lasted a second, but it's going to be felt tomorrow.
Okay, this is gonna be a little bit crazy. This match is gonna be preserved, be known as craziness.
She's got not one, but 3 guys looking to destroy him here tonight.
We got four guys who want to fucking destroy each other. This is how the hype match starts up. This is a fair 4-way we're crying out loud, people. That's what you're gonna get.
He's got a very untraditional approach tonight, which includes spending a great deal of time outside the ring. That might help him in the long run. We'll see. His shoulders are down.
One. Okay, that's on comfy.
It's a level of destruction no one was expecting. So painful.
Here we go.
A spot for him here.
Okay, reversed by
He
King.
turns it around. He's
Go for the pin. 1.
He lands a shot.
Kicks out. Razor does.
When this guy's on, look out. He's fighting from underneath.
Okay, down to 4. Okay, this match is going absolute crazy, people. And the Razor Edge. Let's see what Fred does. Here comes his friends with the truth or consequences. Okay, break up by Kane. Okay, going after Razor now. Him. Okay, goes for the pin. 1. Kicks out. Mighty Man now coming backside of the ring. So this is going to be a good match, people. As long as the match is good. It's a fair forward, we call it. Okay, Avery now, Big Cat grabs Mighty Man. Oh, super kick by Kane Blide. Hand Razor with the super kick. Oh crap, reversed by Big Cat.
The question is now, does he have enough energy left to execute his finish
oh
second time?
Oh crap, oh god, goes them.
Ain't no stopping him now. Oh man, that rearranger's fine. He's fighting from underneath.
Attacks. Kane Blide with the taunt. Razor in his own taunt. Okay, Mighty Man beats him up for it. Punches.
He's just so skilled in submission-based competition. He looks absolutely exhausted. I have a feeling this isn't going to end well for him. Things look bleak right now.
Okay.
He forces his way free, and he just has so much resolve.
Let's see if this performs live. Here we go. Can this end well? This better end? Well, oh my god, he still hits him. Hits him anyways.
Definitely found his target. He's fighting from underneath. Look at the power on that Oklahoma slam. Look out.
Okay, Blide with the worst. This is a good match.
Injuries for sure. Really struggling now.
Oh, Mighty Man's finisher. The Almighty.
I'm just as surprised as you guys are. Gotta shake the cobwebs.
Pancake. Razor's been busted open during the match.
We know what's coming here.
1, 2. Razor's busted open, so this is going to be a hype for a match for Extreme Pro Wrestling. Here it comes. His own impact. Clothesline. Okay. Jawbreaker. Razor's been busted open. He's busted open bad. He's busted open bad. He's busted open really bad. Here it comes. Razor reverse. Oh, that's a good hit by Razor. Big count. Oh, Fred Razor grabs him. The truth of controversy. This match always been like 14 minutes already. Oh, draws him outside the ring. There it is. That's the end of the fair four-way match. Kane Blide comes out with the win. The W. There you go, guys. That was a good match. Not bad. That was a good hype match. People, hope we got more performed. That was just the beginning of the TV show. Beginning of the TV. Superstar.
And there's our winner of this fatal four-way match. This guy's dominance in the fatal four-way match is simply undeniable. As hard as it would be not to think about that amazing match we just saw,
it's helping a little bit. So it's helping. Guys, that's a good time for Kane to win his match. Congratulations to Kane Blide. We got another matches coming up your way. It's a women's match. Here we go.